Morning guys, welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. We're back on site here, fixing our cell tower from falling into the creek. Should be the last day of this job for us for the most part. We still gotta haul some equipment out tomorrow in the rain, but for the most part, should be all wrapped up today. We're gonna strip out this concrete and put spray cure on the outsides of it, whatever's covered by wood right now. We're gonna be hand mixing a curb along this edge here. We're gonna have to dowel in, put some rebar, that fun stuff. And we're also gonna be adding 2B stone here and subgrading this slope and then adding the 2B stone, sorry about that. We are also gonna be putting the fence back up. We're gonna have to drop a post in. There's already a post over there. We're gonna have to drop another post over here. Another one in the center there, another one there. So that should be about it for today besides cleaning up. Thanks again guys for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support.
Alone?
No, we've been them up. Right.
That's why I took them out yesterday. I'm like,
no, that's what I would have done too. I would have took them out.
Yeah.
That's what I plan on getting it down.
I just missed that one.
I plan on getting it down, leveling it, and then pulling them. Like that's how Mike used to always ruin the grinders.
Yeah.
Stick them in there.
Yeah, that's what we did yesterday.
And Mike never ruined the grinder, just got to wash it off. Well, we got all of our forms stripped. Using form release really helped speed up the process. Concrete turned out pretty well. A couple of places we got to fix on this side of the wall. A little bit of honeycombing, nothing terrible though. That black fabric will stay right where it's at. We got to fix some grounding here. We ripped it all out. Gonna drop a rod in, hang on to the existing ground ring and recomplete it since we broke it. And I was wrong earlier about the post. I don't know what I was thinking. They don't go all the way out to there. It's only an additional 2 feet from where it is already. So in line with that one, we're gonna come square across, drop a center post here, roughly where that concrete is, not exactly though. And then a corner post out into here too. And then that'll complete the compound and we'll zip it up with some vents.
One time he shot one, for kids just went off weird. He jumped straight in the air, man. Like went off between his legs. He jumped straight. It looked so funny, man.
Alright guys, we got all of our steel in. As you can see, the steel on this left side is higher than on the right, it's lower. So instead of putting a curb, we're more or less going to be pouring a spillway. So the water is going to be able to come down this road and fall right into here. And rather than going behind the wall, it's going to go right over top of the gabion baskets there. That's what the township wanted. Apparently that road already floods out really bad. They don't want to add any more problems to it. So what we did is we just put some number 4 dowels in to the concrete we poured here yesterday, and then 4 or 6 into the block over there as well, and just tied our mat to it. I bent these here with the blade on a mini. Worked great. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just wanted some steel in there for structure. That's right, Reed. Keep dumping, bud.
That's good. Ah, yeah.
Nice and dry, Reed. So we got all the concrete finished. You guys look.
I know.
It's gonna
I know.
make the water flow right across top of those gabions and through them and down into the creek down there. We got all of our stone done, graded out. Working on the fence still yet today.
So here we are, guys. 6 years later. This job was started in 2014 in the design phase, and we finally got a plan together that everybody could agree upon. Dug 5 feet below the stream bed, poured a 3-foot deep footing. All together with all our footings and concrete, we have about 13 yards of concrete in there, 32 ton of gabion stone. I don't even know what else. Bin block wall. We've got 22,000 pounds worth of weight in the bin block wall. So this has been quite the task. But I guess we were up to the challenge because we made it happen in 10 days. Worked through the weekend because today's been thunderstorms on and off all day, and I certainly wouldn't want to be down here when it's raining. So we appreciate you guys watching and following along with this project. It's one we've been really looking forward to, and I'm glad we could share it with you. So, and thanks for helping us get to 1,000 subscribers. We really appreciate it, and we hope to bring you a lot more good content from here on out. So please like and subscribe, and you guys take care. Thank you.